This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting yourself and the part. Put on gloves, respirator, and eye protection, then clamp the stainless steel so it cannot move. Use an 80-120 grit flap disc on an angle grinder and work with light, controlled passes, about 1/8 inch travel each pass, so you remove the weld bead without gouging the base metal. Move the grinder along the joint with the grinder angled slightly. Watch the heat and stop if the color changes too fast, because excessive heat hurts corrosion resistance. Once the weld profile is flush, you refine the surface using progressively finer abrasives to blend and remove heat tint. Swap to 240 then 320-400 grit discs, or use Scotch-Brite style pads with a random orbital sander. This reduces scratches and restores a uniform finish. Make sure to keep the tool moving in short, overlapping strokes so you don't create low spots. If you see rainbow heat colors, stop and cool the area with compressed air or a damp cloth before continuing, because heat affects passivation. To complete the job, polish the area with 600 to 1,200 grit or a dedicated metal polish until the surface matches the surrounding finish, and then clean the metal thoroughly with an acid-free stainless cleaner. Next, apply a nitric or phosphoric passivation gel to restore the protective chromium oxide layer. Follow product dwell times and rinse completely. If you encounter pitting or residual discoloration, regrind very lightly, repolish, and repeat passivation. This troubleshooting step cures most appearance and corrosion problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.